first time we're testing out the jerry can and it works, man. Fresh water.
Safe water. Save
water,
the earth.
drinkable water. Alright, so once we're done searing the meat on the outside, alright, we're gonna slice it, then we're gonna cook it. I'm gonna get the special ingredient, the Guinness Stout. And it's ice cold, man. Yeah, so we've got some cheese that, you know, while it's still hot, we're gonna put it on. Some melty cheese on it, man. It's all that carrots in there. And of course, every Leftover Guy episode, we have the magical beer that's gonna come out. Yeah, Asahi. Alright, so this truffle spam, wow, smells good, man. Wow, fuck, smells like truffle, bro. Ah, there you go. You want some of that black bean sauce? Pour inside.
What would it take for you to get straight? How does it feel when your wheel won't hit the ground? When does it end the falling figure eight? Could it all be that you won't stop running now? And if you don't stop touching down, then you won't stop coming.
Alright, 7:30, supper time. Before that was the appetizer, so now comes the main course. The main course is a truffle spam stew with black beans, carrots, corn, and some pork loin as well. Big chunks of truffle spam, pork loin.
Very nice.
All of the worlds that you simulate. When will you see that your feet can't reach the ground?
So we've got a bit of the fire going. It's probably around 10:30 now. I guess 2021 doesn't seem that different from 2020. But you know what, we gotta keep our hopes up, man. Just like the fire, you know, we gotta keep it going. And it's gonna be tough, but you know, everybody's gonna be struggling. You know, bad times don't last, and we just gotta do what we need to do, man. Yeah, just do what you love, carry on doing what you love, you know. But always take precaution as well. But it's always good, you know, to just go out in the wild and lose yourself. So we'll let the fire burn, we'll get some sleep, and tomorrow in the morning we'll wake up early and we'll get cooking, man. Good morning, everybody. We just woken up. It's around 7:30, and we're getting the fire set up. We're going to start some simple breakfast. And the night was pretty easy, but it wasn't too comfortable. I guess when you get old, you know, your whole body aches sleeping on the ground. So yeah, the next round we're gonna improvise. We're gonna bring more matting or something and put on the floor. But other than that, we're gonna have some breakfast, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do. So we got a fairly simple setup. We've got truffle spam, we've got baked beans, and we've got onions and some potatoes. So we're gonna put that in, then we're gonna cook it. Alright, and there's flies around, so I gotta be fast with this.
And if you should hear my name, don't let anybody say I've been hiding for a while. I'm just trying to get away, but you are my only escape, and you are the only way. Yeah. So let's talk. That's all we'll do, just talk. And when we're through, we'll know. We won't have to keep on waiting. Oh, so
we packed up and we've doused the fire. We used whatever water is left. We doused the fire. Right. We kept the camp clean. We packed all our rubbish into a plastic bag. We're gonna dispose of it in a while. And we're gonna take the long walk back to the ferry terminal. Is it a terminal? Or it's just a pickup point? And the boat's gonna arrive. Do remember to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Do follow us on Leftover Guys. And we'll catch you guys and see you guys for more action.